History of Badminton. Badminton's roots trace back over 2,000 years to games of battledore and shuttlecock play in ancient Eurasian. The modern sport evolved from Funa, a version played by British military officer in India during the 19th century, where a net was added. Returning to England, the game gained popularity. It was formally introduced in 1873 at the Duke of Beaufort Estate Badminton House, which gave the sport its current name. The International Badminton Federation, now BMWF, was founded in 1934 to govern the sports globally. Badminton made its special debut as an Olympic sport in 1992 at the Barcelona Games. Basic skills. Scoring. Game is played to 21 points win by 2 points. Best of 3 games per match. Rally point system, every rally scores point. Rules and regulations. Serving rules. Serve must be underhand and below the waist. Shuttle must be hit diagonally into opponent's service box. In singles, right side serve, even score. Left side odd score. Faults, penalties. Shuttle lands outside the court. Player touches the net. Shuttle hit twice or caught or held. Shuttle fast under the net or stuck in it. Illegal serve or wrong position. Let, rally replay. Interference, broken shuttle or opponent not ready during serve. General rules. Players switch side after each game, and at 11 points in the third game, proper sportsmanship required. Misconduct may lead to warning or disqualification.